welcome to my channel. Today I'm making these low carb chocolate chip cookies. And I'm starting off by preheating my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I am taking this large bowl and a sifter, and I am going to be sifting through 3 cups of almond flour. I like to sift it so there's just no lumps, but it's not completely necessary. And so yeah, just 3 cups of almond flour. And then after that I did put in half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. And I wanted to sift it through, but I just dropped it in, so I scooped it back up and put it in the sifter. But yeah, so half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of salt. And so after that I also put in 2 1/3 cups of granulated stevia, and I sifted that through as well. And then I did take a whisk and just give it all a really good mix to make sure that that baking soda gets spread out all over for all of our cookies to rise evenly in the oven. So give it a really good stir. And then I am taking 3 1/4 cups of coconut oil. You can also use melted butter, that's fine. And after that I cracked in 2 large eggs, and I also put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And after that I gave it all another really good mix till it was all nice and well combined. Yeah, till it was all nice and combined and incorporated. And then after it's all nice and combined, you are going to add in 4.5 ounces of sugar-free chocolate chips. And I use the Lily's brand. They are stevia sweetened chocolate chips, and they are also dairy-free because they're made with soy milk. And I'm taking a cookie sheet lined with some aluminum foil and just sprayed it with some nonstick spray. And I am taking an ice cream scoop so that they're all the same size. It's a medium ice cream scoop. I believe it holds about 2.5 tablespoons. And I'm just plopping the little scoops of the cookie dough on there. And then I do take my fingers and press them down to form the cookie shape before putting them into the oven. And I cook them for about 15 minutes, just until they start to get golden brown along the edges. That's how you know they're done. Pull them out. They will be a little soft, but after you let them cool for about 10-15 minutes, they won't fall apart as easily, because they do kind of fall apart a little if you try to eat them right away out of the oven like I did. I ate 1 cookie because I couldn't wait. But this made a total of 17 for me. My last one was just a little bit small, but they were all basically the same size. Now they're about 160 calories each. So I did put 12 on this baking sheet, and then I did 5 more on another baking sheet, and I used up every last bit of my cookie dough. Once they came out of the oven and they cooled a little bit, I did place them all onto this wooden glass covered cake dish. And like I said, I made a total of 17, but I did eat 1. They were really, really soft, a little like flaky because of the almond flour, but they still taste pretty good. for, healthy cookies, low carb cookies. And I put some more on a plate there. I had them with some almond milk. They were really good for healthy cookies. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notifications on so you can see every time I post a new video. Also, make sure you go like my Facebook page.